Hi, this is Mrs. Nowakowski. We talked about today converting metric fractions, and we talked about converting exponential metric conversions. I'm first going to go over again and try to explain to you how to actually do the fraction metric conversions. We're going to first look at the fraction as two parts. This way. Now you gotta go over my back. Okay, we're going to look at the fraction 8.11 centigrams per kiloliter, and we're going to convert it to decigrams per deciliters. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at it as 8.11 centigrams over 1 kiloliter, because this fraction means that there's 1 kiloliter. Per kiloliter means per 1 kiloliter. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at them separately. We're first going to look at converting the 8.11 centigrams to decigrams. So we're going to take 8.11 centigrams, and if you recall, there's 10 centigrams in 1 decigram. So we're going to, if you remember, we can just divide by 10, or we know we have to move it 1 to the left. So we get 0.811 decigrams. So now we've taken care of this part up here. We've turned it into decigrams. So now we're going to look at the 1 kiloliter. We're going to take 1 kiloliter, and we know that in 1 kiloliter there are 10 deciliters. And so then when we convert that, we get that there is 10 deciliters. So now we have the decigrams and we have the deciliters, what we're looking for. So all now we have to do is divide these two. So we have 0.811 decigrams divided by 10 deciliters, and we get 8.11 decigrams per deciliter. So that's how we do the first example. Let's look at another example. 18.5 megagrams per centiliter, and we want to convert to kilograms per milliliter. So again, we're going to look at the 18.52 megagrams per centiliter as this over 1 centiliter. So we're going to do it in two portions again. So we're going to take 18.52 megagrams, and we know that in 1 megagram there is 1,000 kilograms. So we can multiply it by 1,000, or we know that we move it 3 to the right, so we have 18,520 kilograms. So we've taken care of the top part, so now we want to take care of the bottom part. So we're going to take 1 centiliter and we're going to convert it into milliliters. So in 1 centiliter there are 10 milliliters. So we get 10 milliliters. So now we want to put these two together to get kilograms per milliliter. So we're going to get 18,520 kilograms over 10 milliliters, which is equal to 1,852 kilograms per milliliter. So that's how we do metric conversions using fractions. We can do them separately. Later I'll show you how to do them all together, but the easiest way right now is to do them in two separate portions. Do the numerator and the denominator, and then take the two and divide them.